For the 1961 model year, Chevrolet debuted a larger displacement version of its popular 358 cubic inch W engine V8. This new engine was the 409 cubic inch big block V8, which was Chevrolet's response to Ford's 390 cubic inch big block V8. The 409 would be available as a top performance engine option in Chevrolet's 1961 to 1965 full-size car lineup. The 409 was available in different performance iterations and quickly gained a great reputation for its sturdy construction, reliability, and fantastic performance. Its power output range was 340 to 425 gross horsepower, which was astounding at the time.